So right across the main entrance to the apartment is the bathroom and the closet. When you go to the left, you have this living space. So this is the sofa cum bed. Then you have some drawers. Then you have one more small cupboard. This is where the TV is. We never watched TV, so I'm not sure which channels you have access to from here. And this is the dining space, and this is the kitchen area. Inside this space is where you have the trash can. This is the induction stove top. This is what we use to cook our meals. So let me just show you guys. This button is to turn on the heat. Okay, so this 1, 2, and see this one 3 and 4. So these are the 4 burners. So once you turn this on, so once you turn this on, you'll have to choose a burner, like for instance this one, and this is the heat. You have the plus symbol and the minus symbol to manipulate the heat. Okay, so now this burner has been turned on. So this is the space. So you'll have to keep your vessels here to start cooking. And then once you're done, so you have space 4 burners, so you can use 4 vessels to cook 4 different dishes at the same time. And then once you're done, all you have to do is press this again to turn it off. So this is the bedroom. So you have one more TV here. Have 2 lamps, right? One that side and one on this side. And this is the switch to turn it on and turn it off. So that's it, guys. This has been our home for 3 days now. Really very sad to be moving out, but at the same time we are excited to go to our next destination, Vienna. So see you guys in Vienna. Bye.